So this is an open day or a pop-up event that we're holding here at Lake Clearwater, which is all about what's happening in and around the Ashburton Lakes, Ōtūwharekai. So we've had a lot of concerns around water quality and some of the degradation of the lakes, and we're just opening it up for local people to come along and hear what is happening, because there's a lot of action happening.
Most of the questions have related to, are we seeing a difference, and are we seeing things like water quality in particular improving given the proximity to the settlement and the fact that this Lake Clearwater in particular is the hearts and minds of this community, but also around what are we doing around supporting land management practices. We've been really fortunate that the local Ashburton Water Zone Committee chair and some of the committee members have come along in support of us today and are present and talking to some of the attendees. They're really passionate about this area and it's one of their priorities. And in addition, we've had a great turnout from Forest and Bird, who are sharing the voluntary work that they do to protect the bird populations and the ecosystem up here in the environment. So it's not just water quality.